Poštovana publiko, pozdravljam vas u ime gimnazije Stevan Jakovljević u Vlasotincu. Mesec april posvetit ćemo jednom od najvećih svetskih dramskih pisaca, Williamu Shakespeareu, koji je rođen u aprilu. Nema ni jednog Shakespeareovog dela u kome se ne pominje ljubav. A jedna od najpoznatijih ljubavnih priča svakako je ona o dvoje ljubavnika iz Verone, o Juliji i Romeu. Pođimo svi zajedno u Veronu. Na to putovanje vode vas naši gimnazijalci: Nina Tasić, Anđela Stefanović, Aleksandar Živković, Luka Mitić, a naša tehnička podrška je Milan Nikolić. Oni su učenici prvog razreda gimnazije. Za muziku se pobrinula Anđela Lepojević, učenica drugog razreda. Organizatori ovog našeg nastupa su Biljana Pipović, profesorka engleskog jezika, i Suzana Pešić, profesorka srpskog jezika i književnosti. A ja sam Andrija Stanković, učenik prvog razreda. Uživajte!
Korane ne zna, ruga se ožiljku. Al mir, šta sinuto kroz prozor tamo? Istok je to, a Julija sunce. Izgrevaj sunce jasno. Život uzmi luni zavidljivoj, oboleloj i bledoj, već od jada što si ti. Pratilja njena divnija od nje. Ne služi za vidljivici. Ruho njene vestalke, bledo, bolešljivo, zbaci. Ono je samo za bezumnice. Evo je moja gospodarica. Evo je ljubav moja. Ah, da bar zna da je to. Usnama miče, ali ne progovara. Šta mari? Pogled njezin govori. I njemu ja ću odgovoriti. Ali odveć drzak ja sam. Meni ona obratila se nije. Zvezde dve na nebeskom svodu najlepše obratile se, nečim zabavljene, očima njenim, i zamolile da mesto njih u njenim sferama one za njinog sjaju odsustva. A šta bi bilo da su joj na licu zvezde, a oči na nebu? Postideo bi njenog lica sjaj, te zvezde kao sveću sunčev blesak, a njene oči na nebesima kroz vazdušne bi sfere tako sjale, da bi u noći ptice propevale, misleći da je dan. O kako, gle na ruku obraz pušta, što li nisam rukavica na ruci njezinoj, pa da se lica njenog dotakne.
O Romeo, o Romeo, što si Romeo? Svog poreci oca, ime odbaci, ili, ako nećeš, zakuni mi se da si dragi moj, pa neću više Kapoletova da budem ja. Dušmanin je moj jedino ime tvoje. Ti bi bio to isto što si sad i da nisi Montegi. Šta je to Montegi? Niti je noga, niti dlan, niti mišica, niti lice, niti jedan deo na čoveku. Uzmi drugo ime. Šta je ime? Ruža bi isto tako mirisala da joj drugšim imenom zovemo, pa i Romeo, isto savršenstvo sačuvao bi divno, ma ga zvali kako mu drago. O Romeo, svoje ime odbaci, pa namesto njega, koji nije deo bića tvog, svu mene uzmi.
But soft, what light through yonder window breaks? It is the east, and Juliet is the sun. Arise, fair sun, and kill the envious moon, who's already sick and pale with grief that thou her maid art far more fair than she. Be not her maid, since she's envious. Her vast delivery is but sick and green, and none but fools do wear it. Cast it off. It is my lady. Oh, it is my love. Oh, that she knew she were. She speaks, yet she says nothing. What of that? Her eyes discourses. I'll answer it. I'm too bold. 'Tis not to me she speaks. Two of the fairest stars to know the heaven, having some business, to entreat her eyes to twinkle in their spheres till they return. What if her eyes were there, they in her head? The brightness of her cheek would shame those stars as daylight doth a lamp. Her eyes in heaven would, through the airy region, stream so bright that birds would sing and think it were not night. See how she leans her cheek upon her hand. Oh, that I were aglow upon that hand, that I might touch that cheek.
O Romeo, Romeo, wherefore art thou Romeo? Deny thy father and refuse thy name, or if thou wilt not, be but sworn my love, and I'll no longer be a Capulet. 'Tis but thy name that is my enemy. Thou art thyself, thou not a Montague. What's Montague? It is no hand, no foot, nor arm, no face, nor any other part belonging to a man. Oh, be some other name. What's in a name? That which we call a rose by any other name would smell as sweet. So Romeo would, were he not Romeo called, retain that dear perfection which he owes without that title. Romeo, doff thy name, and for that name which is no part of thee, take all myself.
Menjaju se vremena, ljudi, način života. Smenjuju se vekovi, generacije odlaze, a druge generacije dolaze. A ona ostaje večna, nepromenjena, oduvek snažna. Ona daje smisao našim životima. Ona pokreće ovaj svet. Večna, silna, moćna. Ljubav. Ona nam daje krila da prebrodimo i najdublje vode. Zbog nje se i najviši zid može preleteti. Ona je svakome putokaz kroz život. Ljubav je dim stvoren parom i uzdisajem. Ko živi plamen, ona plane u očima zaljubljenih. O njoj se peva i o njoj će se pevati, dok god je sveta i veka.
We were both young when I first saw you. I close my eyes and a flashback starts. I'm standing there on the balcony in summer air. See the lights, see the party, the bogans. See you make your way through the crowd and say hello. Little did I know There you were Romeo, you went throwing pebbles, and my daddy said stay away from Juliet. And I was crying on a staircase, begging you please don't go. And I said, Romeo, take me somewhere we can be alone. I'll be waiting. All that's left to do is run. You'll be the prince and I'll be the princess. It's a love story, baby, just say yes. So I sneak out to the garden to see you. We keep quiet cause we thought if they knew, so close your eyes. Escape this town for a little while. Cause you were Romeo, I was a scarlet letter, and my daddy said stay away from Juliet. But you were everything to me, I was begging you please don't go. And I said, Romeo, take me somewhere we can be alone. I'll be waiting. All that's left to do is run. You'll be the prince and I'll be the princess. It's a love story, baby, just say yes. Romeo, save me. They try to tell me how to feel. This life is difficult, but it's real. Don't be afraid, we'll make it out of this mess. It's a love story, baby, just say yes. But I got tired of waiting, wondering if you were ever coming around. My fading voice fading when I met you on the outskirts of town. And I said, Romeo, save me. I've been feeling so alone. I keep waiting for you, but you never come. Is this in my head? I don't know what to think. He nailed to the ground and pulled out a ring and said, marry me, Juliet. You never have to be alone. I love you and that's all I really know. I talk to your dad, go pick out a white dress. It's a love story, baby, just say yes. Cause we were both young when I first saw you.